Before independence was declared, rebellion was whispered beneath Boston's Liberty Tree. In crowded streets and shadowed taverns, the Sons of Liberty stirred a city toward revolution. This is Colonial Boston, where ordinary voices ignited an extraordinary fight for freedom. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In the early 1700s, Boston stood as a proud British colonial port, crowded, noisy, and tightly governed in the name of the Crown. Royal governors ruled with authority, supported by red-coated soldiers and British warships anchored in the harbor, ever-present symbols of imperial control. The city's economy thrived on Atlantic trade, exporting fish, lumber, and rum while importing British manufactured goods under strict regulation. Families lived closely packed along narrow streets, where children worked from a young age, women managed homes and small shops, and survival depended on strong community ties. Religion shaped daily life, as Puritan meeting houses enforced moral order and social discipline. Yet beneath Boston's outward loyalty to Britain, resentment steadily grew. Taxes, inspections, and the constant presence of British troops fueled anger among merchants and laborers alike. In taverns and town meetings, colonists spoke more boldly of rights, liberty, and resistance. By mid-century, Boston was no longer merely a British town. It was a restless, defiant city poised on the edge of revolution.